who is having problem, they can join, as this is a computer based lab. So she is not having computer, so like she can do it. Okay, so Anisha, where do you stay basically?
And
Anisha.
Havda. Havda.
Okay, in Howrah. So you don't you won't have any problem, because
No.
week one day, in a week there will be one day, okay, per week. So you have to come. If you do not have anything to do at your facility, okay. So we'll decide the date once
Okay,
the
ma'am.
university opens. Maybe tomorrow it will open, or day after tomorrow. I do not know exactly. After opening, I'll let you know when to come. Okay. But you are asking to come. I'm not forcing you to come. That much just keep in mind. Okay. As you are
Okay,
not
ma'am.
having the facility. So don't tell any time that I have forced. I am not forcing, or the university is not forcing anyone to come basically. Okay. They have been asked that UG2 class will be arranged. UG2 lab, not class. If the student is willing to attend, they can attend. Who is not willing to attend, they may not attend. And these will not going to be some criteria for your evaluation. Okay. Have you gone through the university notice?
Yes, ma'am.
সবাই দেখেছিস ইউনিভার্সিটি নোটিশ?
Yes, ma'am.
ওকে, তোদের তোদের এই কি কিসে হবে তোদের এক্সাম? এক্সাম ইজ ইট অনলাইন আর অফলাইন?
ম্যাম অনলাইন।
অনলাইন হবে। আর ইজি 12 ল্যাবের জন্য বলেছে, দেখেছিস তো?
হ্যাঁ ম্যাম।
যাদের প্রবলেম হবে দে ক্যান কাম ওয়ান্স ইন আ উইক। আই লেট ইউ নো when to come once ইউনিভার্সিটি ওপেন্স, সেটা আমি বলতে পারবো, ঠিক আছে? ইন ইন আদার ওয়ে, তুই যদি আশেপাশে কিছু অ্যারেঞ্জ করে নিতে পারিস, দ্যাট ইজ গ্রেট। যদি না পারিস, তাহলে ইউ ক্যান কাম। ওকে, বাট আই এম নট ইন আ পজিশন টু ফোর্স ইউ টু কাম অর সামথিং, ঠিক আছে? If you have decided by yourself, then only you can come. Otherwise, I'm not forcing you to do something. Okay. So today we'll start with Adobe Illustrator. Okay, the thing is that mm, these
ম্যাম
two lateral
I
person
have
is
a query.
arrived.
Ma'am,
Yes, please.
how we will submit the poster?
Okay, you have to submit in the mail itself. Okay, but for all the files, all the assignment, you have to submit two file formats, one native file format and the PDF. Native file format means the software you are using to do or to complete the project, the file format for that software, like uh, which is owned to that software. Like for Photoshop's native file format is .psd, that is dot Photoshop document .psd. For Illustrator, the native file format is .eai. For say Corel Draw, its file format is .cdr. For InDesign, file format is native file format is INDD. So, like the file format in like the platform you're using, their own file format, the file with their own file format, so that I can open the original file. Do you get my point? You have to submit two copies of the same project, one in native file format, another is .pdf format. Dot or native file format and PDF format, these two format you need to submit. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
I hope you all of you have done that. I have informed these before also. One thing. Second thing I wish to ask is that the two lateral person is not arrived. Do you know why? Do
No,
you know
ma'am.
why?
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Because I have told them, just if you any one of you have interaction with them, you can inform them. I have told them to cover up the lab left to them. I have taken already extra lab to them actually, which they have not done. I am covering those portion in that lab, but I'll not take all the labs for them in that platform. That you need to inform. The regular lab, they have to do it with you only. Okay, so in Adobe Illustrator, I'll be giving you, okay, I have told you that next day you have to come up with the hand drawn pictures, but some of you have already completed um, uh, the that one, the cartoon one. I have seen the cartoon one you have completed by your own. কে করেছিস? আমি দু একটা ফাইল দেখলাম আমার কাছে পৌঁছেছে। Who have done? না না, লাস্ট অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট আমি বলেছিলাম আগের দিন ইলাস্ট্রেটরটা আমি পরের দিন কার্টুন করব। ইউ হ্যাভ টু কাম আপ উইথ আ হ্যান্ড ড্রন পিকচার, হ্যান্ড ড্রন কার্টুন কাইন্ড অফ ড্রয়িং। কিন্তু কিছু কিছু জন সাবমিট করেছে, তাই কি? তুই হ্যান্ড ড্রন পাঠিয়েছিস, তোর নাম কি বল? নিশান্ত। and no other person have done that, right? তুই হ্যান্ড ড্রন পাঠিয়েছিস কি? ঠিক আছে, আমি দেখছি, দাঁড়া। CDNL নিশান্ত কুমার হ্যান্ড ড্রন কার্টুন পিকচার, বাহ। Okay, fine, I can take it and do the work. Okay, we'll be converting this hand drawn line picture, cartoon picture, to a digital one. This is too simple. I have already given you in the lab manual the common tools, which is common to all basically, and the rest we'll be covering here. So we are starting the Adobe Illustrator today. Adobe Illustrator is a vector editor. Let me see. Let me download it first. Okay, I have opened the his picture through Adobe Illustrator. Okay, okay. Now before okay, fine. File new. You have to open new file for in this platform that all of you know. But here certain parameters are there. You need to know. Okay, the size you can decide. This is common thing. The width and height that you can decide. Okay, some advanced features will be there, like color mode. If you are designing it for a printed medium, then you have to go for CMYK. If you are doing it for any electronic platform like computer, like mobile, like any electronic display, you have to go for RGB. Okay, if you are going for printing purpose, then you have to keep it to 300 ppi or 300 dpi for better quality. But if you are doing it for electronic medium, you can go for lower resolutions, because that will decrease the file size and that will help in that will help in uploading the picture in a easiest way. Okay, so this thing I need to tell you. Okay, now talking about Adobe Illustrator. Adobe Illustrator is a vector platform. Okay, Adobe Illustrator is a vector platform, and at the very first day, I have talked to you about, or I have given description about what is the difference between a raster image and a vector image. Okay, so raster image is basically pixel is comprised of pixels, and vector image is basically comprised of vector image is basically comprised of comprised of lines, or expressed by coordinate equation, where you can express any of the designing element by any coordinate equation. Okay, so in that way, raster image is resolution dependent and vector image is resolution independent. This thing I have told you at the very first class. Okay, and raster image is uh, raster image is non-scalable and vector image is scalable. If you remember, I have told you what is scalability. You can increase or decrease the size if it is scalable image, and the quality will be same. Okay, and for vector image, the quality is same. This is the criteria for vector image, and for raster image, this will be resolution dependent. That means whatever size you have, you need to use, and in that size only you have to prepare the original file. Okay, so in Illustrator, basically, okay, there are other vector editors also, like Corel Draw. Some of you have come across Corel Draw, then Freehand. So these are these are certain other vector editors, but we'll be doing I'll be doing over here Adobe Illustrator. Okay, if you're not having, then you can go for Corel Draw or Freehand also, but as I am doing all the Adobe products, so I am doing it in Adobe Illustrator. Okay, so in Adobe Illustrator there is no concept of background and foreground color. Do you remember in Photoshop you were having background and foreground color? Who have submitted the assignment, they must be remembering this. Okay,
Yeah, ma'am.
exactly. Yes, huh? Okay. But in the Illustrator, there is, see, at the toolbox, there is no concept of foreground and background color. Instead, there is stroke and fill. There is no concept of foreground and background color. Instead, there are two options, stroke and fill. See, at the same position. My voice has been choked due to cold. So, if you couldn't hear, just please tell me. Okay, so this is fill and this is stroke. Okay, so this is instead like the concept of paint is there basically here, where the stroke color and fill color is there. I have already shown you. Okay, for artistic effect, so in this platform or in Illustrator platform, or in any vector editor platform, in a drawing you have to use brush tool. Okay, to create trace from a previous image you have to use pen tool. The use of brush tool, use of pen tool, you already knowing from your Photoshop knowledge. Okay, you can generate a extra node by like by a tool. Okay, in the pen tool you need, you already know that you can add or you can delete the extra anchor point, or add nodes uh, to change its position, so that you can get another kind of angle basically, or another kind of moving of that particular line element basically. Okay, okay, if you want to, okay, if you want to rescale, if you add node, you can rescale some position, rescale the middle of a line, say rescale or you can change the position of the middle of the line, or you can change the curve of it. We'll be seeing that while we'll be doing this. Okay, so here what you have to do, the base layer you need to lock. While I'll be working on this picture, the base layer I need to lock. Nishant, by the way, if it is your hand drawing, then this is good. Have you traced it or have you drawn it by your own? Okay, then it's good. You are having the concept. Okay, see, like everybody learns drawing at childhood. Okay, I also have learned uh, drawing. Okay, definitely teacher is there, but I was not good actually. আমি প্রচন্ড ফাঁকি পাচ্ছিলাম, whatever, চলো, but yours is good. Okay, so while you will be working, you need to know, here there is also concept of layer. On the base layer you need to lock the layer. That you will be doing যখন করব. I'll not go directly to the toolbox. I'll be working in this project and thereby you'll be knowing the toolbox things. Okay, because more more or less you know few of the things, and the thing which has been left, that I'll be telling you. Okay, while I'll be working on it. Okay, so next you have to lock the original layer. You have to create a new layer to trace this kind of projects, this kind of things. Okay, now there are two selection tools over here. One is normal selection tool and another is direct selection tool. Normal selection tool will select the whole image, and another is direct selection tool which will select the note points basically. That I'll be showing you. Okay, that I'll be showing you while we'll be working on it. Okay, so here in the Illustrator or in the vector platform, basically make sure when you draw a line drawing, the fill color is deactivated. While you'll be working on it, the fill color has to be deactivated. That I'll be doing over here. Okay, now suppose you want to give an artistic effect to an image, you have to use filter. See, their filters are there at the drop down list. Okay, you have to use filter if you are going to give certain artistic effect. But at your Photoshop you can design that too, but here you have to use whatever is there at your filters. You can increase or decrease the line width, or like by stroke options. Okay, so these things you can do. Will be working and doing it. I'm not going in detail about it. We'll be working and seeing what can be done over here. Okay, so I'm tracing it. I'm tracing the tracing kind of thing. Say say the author has given you the manuscript, and the publishing house the manuscript, and the manuscript has to be converted to a digitized one, and that is a line drawing kind of or vector kind of thing. So this kind of tracing is been arranged. If the author has, say, for schematic diagram in a scientific book, this kind of thing has been arranged. So here at from the right side, if you are having the Creative Suite higher versions, you can get the layers from here at the right side menu, or you can go to directly the window and go to the layers as in the Photoshop. Okay, so this is the base layer. This is the base layer. So I am, as the lines has touched the uh, control negative, touch the page outline. See the, sorry, page outline is given over here. See, this is the page outline. I have taken A4 page. So this is page outline. So I have conformed it to page. Sorry. Now I have to lock the layer. See, I এর পাশে একটা আছে option. So I have to lock the layer. So now you cannot change the position of the original layer. Now I want to trace it. দেখবি হস্টেলে যখন আসবি, দেখবি you will be copying something by tracing from your fellow mates, but you shouldn't do that, but you will be doing that. Okay, some of you will be doing, not everybody, because some generator should be there. Okay, so I'm doing a portion of it. Okay, I'm doing, or I'm recreating a portion of it, and You have to do your whole thing. Okay, let me find my mouse. Because without mouse it is really difficult to process. Yes. Okay, I need to recreate it. So I'm recreating, say, the right side one. Okay. So I'm using directly pen tool. Okay. This is selection tool. This is direct selection tool. This is magic wand tool. You know, this is lasso tool. You know already the work of it. Pen tool. You know already. Type tool. Okay. Type tool. I'll be describing. This is line segment and other option tools. How to draw that. This is the rectangular different shape tools. This is brush. This is pencil. This is rotate tool. Okay. These I'll be describing while I'll be working. So I'm starting with say pen tool. You can go for pencil tool also, but pen tool is I have told you this is one of the really very strong tool actually. If you have gained certain expertise to it, it is the ultimate tool. Okay, see while I am selecting, I'm doing it. See it is getting filled. If you try to retrace it, it is getting filled basically. See. Oh, sorry. Are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
সরি আমার এখানটায় আমি আমার ডিভাইস চেঞ্জ করেছি, তো এখানটায় আমি এত বকবক করে গেলে শুনতে পেলি না, তো সরি। বাট ইউ ক্যান, তোরা দেখতে পেয়েছিস তো কি কাজ করছিলাম?
হ্যাঁ
আমার
ম্যাম।
মোবাইলে লাগানো ছিল বেসিক্যালি। ওকে, হোয়াট আই হ্যাভ টোল্ড ইউ, সরি আমার মোবাইলে লাগানো ছিল, এখানে সাউন্ড অফ করা ছিল আমার। আই হ্যাভ ইউজ দ্য পেন টুল। এবার পেন টুলটা আমি যখন এক্সপ্লেনেশন দিচ্ছিলাম ইলাস্ট্রেটরের, তখন আমি বলছিলাম না যে ইউ ক্যান এডিট, অ্যাড এক্সট্রা নোট পয়েন্ট, ইউ ক্যান এডিট দ্যাট টু গেট পার্টিকুলার কার্ভেচার or to match with certain curvature. So I have added the anchor point by using this add anchor point tool. এটা অলরেডি তোরা ফটোশপে করেছিস, if you remember. ঠিক আছে, এবারে by using direct selection tool, this tool you can add a note point. সে এখানটায় I have zoomed it, দেখ এটা incomplete. So how I can do it? দেখ এই দেখ, direct selection tool দিয়ে আমি note point, this red portion, this note point I have selected, I have dragged it. Okay, by using direct selection tool I have grabbed, দেখ এখানটা only this note point is getting selected. Can you see it? I have just extended
Yes,
this
ma'am.
portion only. সি এখানটা এটা বেরিয়ে গেছে, এর মধ্যে ঢুকে গেছে। সো আমি কি করব, আমি এখানটায় জাস্ট সিলেক্ট করব, এটা দেখ, আমি এখানটায় জাস্ট আমি এটা এটা এখানটায় দিলে এখানে টেনে দেব, অনেক ঝামেলা করছে। তো আমি কি করব, আই উইল সিলেক্ট দ্য সিজার, আই উইল ক্লিক অন দিস নোট পয়েন্ট। আমি এইটুকুনি পোর্শন দেখ ডাইরেক্ট সিলেকশন টুল দিয়ে সিলেক্ট করলাম, আমি ডেল টিপে দিলাম, আমি কেটে দিলাম, বড্ড ঝামেলা করছিল। এবার আমি কি করব, জাস্ট ইউজিং ডাইরেক্ট সিলেকশন টুল I'll select this note point, I'll drag that and I'll complete the portion. Okay. So after recreating or tracing the whole thing, what you have to do, see এখানে দেখ তোর কার্ভেচারের প্রবলেম আছে, দেখতে পাচ্ছিস কি এই জায়গাটায়? তো আমি এখানে কি করব, I can edit the note points by using direct selection tool. আমি এটা করতে পারি, কিন্তু আমি দেখ সরি কন্ট্রোল জেড, আমার এটাতে খুব ভালো করে আমি করতে পাচ্ছি না, কন্ট্রোল জেড। তাহলে আমি কি করব, there is another option also, that is wrap tool. You can use wrap tool. কিন্তু দেখ আমি wrap tool যখন ইউজ করছি, কন্ট্রোল নেগেটিভ করছি, দেখ এর ডায়ামিটার প্রচুর বড়, তো it will be working on a huge area, so I have to decrease the diameter. How to do that? You have to double click on this wrap tool, you have to decrease the diameter, that is you have to, here you have to decrease the width, right? Okay, okay, so this has become like this. Okay, so this is not done, then this is, if this is the round, then that will be good, so I'm making it round then. So this is 13, so this is 5 point, this is 5 point. How this point is getting converted to inches, I have told you. Do you remember? Do you remember? মনে আছে? কত রকম হচ্ছে দেখতে পাচ্ছিস তো, by using wrap tool. So wrap tool use করাও is a bit tricky. Do you remember how to convert প্রিন্টিং টেকনিক পড়েছিস? প্রিন্টিং টেকনিক পড়েছিস একটু তাহলে? Just let it done by the convert point tool. Though wrap tool is the right choice. by using direct selection tool. I'm selecting this portion. Click outside. So after doing it, see এখানটা এখনো দেখা যাচ্ছে. Okay, this I have not done. After doing the whole thing, you can be your judge. Just zoom it and see it. If there is certain imperfections are there, then perfect it. Control negative, zoom out. Now see one thing. These elements are different. These elements are individual. But you want to, after doing the whole, what you have to do? You have to make it to one. So how you can do that? You have to select by using selection tool. You have to select the whole elements. Shift and drag or just drag it. Select the whole thing. You have to right click. You have to group it. Now this will be a group. Can you see it? This will be a group. That means this is a single element. All the different elements has combined to a group. Okay. Before coloring, basically this group has to be done. Otherwise the color will flow out. Okay. So now see, this is how you will trace the whole thing. Then you have to, so what you have to do, you have to keep your drawing into the original layer. You have to lock the layer. You have to create a new layer. You have to start recreating it. Sorry, you have to start recreating it. You have to start recreating it. After recreation, you have to edit the individual elements. Then what you have to do, you have to group. You have to select the whole and you have to right click on it and make a group to create the whole thing. After creating the group, then you can fill the color. আমি জাস্ট একটু দেখিয়ে দিচ্ছি, পরে তো পুরোটা যখন করব নেক্সট ডে আমি পুরোটাই তো দেখিয়ে দেবো when you have done all the things. Okay, so now I'll be say filling the colors. এখানে কোনো লুপ নেই, একটা লুপ আছে, only দুটো লুপ আছে which is covered, so I can give color over there. So coloring এর জন্য I have already told you here, I have already told you that here the solid colors will be used. Solid colors, spot colors will be used basically. Okay, there are certain gradient which you can or you can apply actually. Select the collections of the path. Okay. Okay, fine. Sorry. Okay, what the problem is arising that in the dialog box, if you see it, if you see the dialog box, you can understand. Okay, in the dialog box, say this is okay. What was this? Okay, this kind of solid colors and some predefined gradient you can apply. So this is again a can. I do not know. Say this portion. Okay, see, while I'm coloring this portion, the color is getting filled over here. But see, this portion's color, there'll be difficulty. Okay, there'll be difficulty filling the color of this portion. Why? Because this is not covered basically. Okay, see, this is open. So if I complete this portion, then the coloring can be done. Okay, that is there. But one more thing I want to show you. Okay, fine. While you will create, you are recreating this, there are certain portions which you can directly use from these toolboxes. Say elliptical tool, use that in these nose you can use. Okay, see, elliptical tool, but there should not be fill color, so just off the color. Okay, then you can drag it to. Okay, Say for example your eye, say this eye is not the total, the whole portion of it, say it is a little bit rotated. See here that the drawing, the eye is little bit rotated. So what you can do, say here the rotate option is there. You can rotate the eye. You can rotate the eye to match with this. Okay. You can fill the eye with directly black. Okay. Directly black over here. Okay. Here the eye is not, say, half of this circle. So how, what you can do, you can edit with pen tool. There is no issue with that. But if you do not want to do it by pen tool, what you can do is that, see, I have to rotate it. I have to rotate it. To rotate it. Now you have to cut this portion, right? Half portion of it will be it will be needing basically. So what you can do, you can delete this anchor point, or you can cut the portion basically. While this dialog box is coming, because I'm not as this is a small portion, I'm not been able to click on the exact point. So that is the problem basically. Please use the add anchor point tool on a segment of a path. Oh, I haven't used any add anchor point. Oh, sorry, this is delete anchor point. I'm sorry. See? Okay, now it has to be little bit rotated. Why this rotation was not happening? Because আমি যখন করছিলাম, this is getting okay, fine, চলো, don't do it like this. I have shown you the rotation already. Just do it in this way. Just I'm using the scissor, scissor. Okay, now I want to delete this portion only. Okay, delete it. Okay, because when you okay, fine, now select this portion, rotate it, control T for transformation, drag it. Okay, so now by using pen tool, okay, just you have to click outside to create the new uh, element. Just off the fill. Just a minute, one call has come, I need to take this. Okay, see, then I have to create this portion to see if it does match. It doesn't, it is not getting match. So what I'll be doing, I'll be dragging it down. Definitely you need to match. You need to match and you need to rotate according to the requirement. According to the requirement. See, this is not again getting matched. So what I can do here is that I can add over here anchor point over here. See over here, I can go to the scissor. I can cut this anchor point and I can delete this portion. So in this way you can edit, sorry, you can edit, you can edit, control negative. You can edit whatever shapes are over here, whatever shapes are there to make it digitized. See, to make it digitized. Okay. Now the thing is that one very interesting thing over here is that, see, this direct selection tool, magic wand tool, then lasso tool, about this pen tool, line tool, brush, pencil, rotate tool. I have shown you rotate tool. This is reflect tool. So there are two eyes are there. You have created one. You can copy it. You can reflect it. You can reflect it. You know. Okay. See, say for example, I can reflect these eye. Okay. Copy it. Control C, Control V. By using reflect, you can reflect it. So where this is necessary, see, this is this reflection, this full rotation, this reflection can be done. This reflection can be done by using where this is necessary. So this is reflect tool. Okay, about the wrap tool, I have told you this is twill tool. I'll be showing you, but before going that, just complete the text tool. See, type text tool, there's no new to it. One tool which is very interesting over here is type on a path tool. See, this element, this drawing is still a line drawing. I can convert it to a combination of text. Do you want to say it? Okay, say for example, I'm writing, just taking the tools of Illustrator. Okay, fine. Sorry. আমি নিজের ধুনে করে চলেছি. I have to go to the type on a path tool, right? Now I have to select, must click on a non-compounded path. Must click on non-compound, non-masking path to create text along the path. Okay, fine. I have already compounded it. That's why the problem is showing. Okay. That's why the problem is showing. I have to go back to the original shape. Do you remember, I have made it to group, I have made it to live paint bucket tool. So this has now been a compounded path. So I'm not doing it over here. What I am doing is that just I am creating a new path. Say for example, I am creating this path. There are certain thing is already there. Okay, this thing is already there. So this is a path. I'm offing the fill. I'm going to the type on a path tool, right? Say CHECKING, checking the uh, tools of Illustrator. Say, for example, you have made say a map of India, and that can be drawn not just by line. You can write few lines. You can write the whole thing into lines, and you can make it to mm, the you can make it into a map, any map, say for example. Okay, say just I'm just making it smaller so that it looks good. And now I'm filling it with text. I'm filling something with text by using this text tool. Say type, area type tool. This is area type tool. See, now the area is defined in this shape only. So now this is say vertical area type tool. So vertically the type will be text. This text will be typed. The vertically the text will be typed. See, the text type is vertically. Can you see it? Okay. Now there is area tool as a type on a path tool, vertical type on a path tool. Any path, say for example, I am say drawing a path, say by using say pen tool. Okay, fine. Sorry. Say I am using a pen tool to draw something. Say sorry, I have to click outside. Double click on it. I have to select the color to get the stroke width, and then I can go to the pencil. Say okay, say I've drawn this and I want to make it through a vertical type tool. So some innovative things can be done by or by this basically. So this is vertical tool basically, vertical uh, type tool. By using vertical type you can, sorry, you can do this. By using horizontal type you can do this. See, this is vertical tool. Okay, by using vertical type you can do this. Okay, same thing you can do by horizontal thing, the same thing. So same thing you can do by using horizontal type tool. Just a minute. Sorry. Just I'm using the pencil tool, brush tool, pen tool, whatever tool you try to wish to use. Just say vertical, say horizontal, go to horizontal. Mhm. This is horizontal type. Sorry, I have to click on this. Why the plus sign is for? There are some more text are there which is not shown over here. So for those text, this thing is there. This is so by using horizontal. So these kind of as this is a vector editing platform. So see, so these shapes are by using text only. So this thing cannot be done in Photoshop kind of thing. Okay, so this is the use of the type tool over here. So now this is line segment, different line segment you can get directly from here. See, you should have just the stroke. আমি just drag করলাম দেখ there was no line, but now there is line. How come you have got the line? Okay, how come you have got the line? You have to double click on this stroke. You have to double click on this stroke. You have to select the color, and this will come. Okay, definitely you can change the stroke width also. See the stroke width you can change. See the stroke width. You can change the stroke width also. So there are different shapes are there. There are different shapes are there. Already these are predefined shapes. Definitely you can do it by your own, as this is a vector editing platform. You can do it by your own. Okay. So there are, so these are different other shapes are there. These are different other shapes are there which you can check. About brush tool already you know. About pencil tool, okay, the smooth tool. Okay, say by using pencil tool you have, say, drawn something, or while I was using, if you remember, okay, আমি draw করলাম গেল কোথায়, আমি draw করলাম গেল কোথায়, because the stroke is not defined. That's why I have to double click on the stroke. I have to make, say, a line. I want to smooth the line by using, see, submenu of the pencil tool. See, smoothening tool. I was trying to use the wrap tool, but that was creating problem. Do you remember? Do you remember? মনে আছে? This is path eraser tool. Do you remember? Okay, fine. So instead of doing that, I can use this smooth tool also. Instead of doing that, I can use the smooth tool also. I have to select the portions. I can go to the pencil tool and I can smooth it. Okay? Can you see it? দেখা যাচ্ছে কি?
Yes, ma'am.
So if you are having problem in using the wrap tool, which the problem you will face, wrap tool টা use করা is a little tricky. Okay, so there you can use directly the smooth tool. So this has gone outside, so you have to drag this inside. যখনই শুধু কাজ করবে, that line segment should be selected by using this selection tool. Okay, but if you try to edit one point, one node point, then you can go for direct selection tool. See the smoothening. The smoothening is much more easier. Okay, there is eraser tool also. See, path eraser tool. You can erase certain paths. সেখানটায় যে পাথটা দেওয়া আছে, so you can erase this path also. Either you can edit the node point আগের বারে যেটা দেখিয়েছিলাম, অথবা you can erase the path. Can you see it? By using just erase the path, I have erased the portion only. Okay, so this will do your work easier, much easier. So rotate tool, reflect tool, I have told you about. This is the scale tool. Scale tool means what I am doing by using Control T or transformation. Shear tool, you can get shearing done for certain things. Basically, say you want to shear this. Okay, so this term you know from your mechanical knowledge, basically material strength knowledge. So if you want to produce a certain shearing, see, can you see it? I am doing it in a very extreme manner. Don't do it like this. Shearing, double click on it and you will get the idea. See, I have double clicked on. You can double click on any of the tools and the parameters or the attributes attached to it. Everything can be seen if you double click on it. Do you understand that? See? কি চেঞ্জেস হবে, আমি শিয়ার টুলের উপর ডাবল ক্লিক করছি, সো শিয়ার অ্যাঙ্গেল ইজ 0 ডিগ্রি, হরাইজন্টাল করা আছে। অথবা ইউ ক্যান ডু ইট ইন সার্টেন অ্যাঙ্গেল, ইউ ক্যান ডু ইট ইন সার্টেন অ্যাঙ্গেল। ওকে, সে আমি 30 ডিগ্রি করলাম, অথবা ভার্টিক্যাল করতে পারি, শিয়ার অ্যাঙ্গেলটা চেঞ্জ করতে পারিস, ওকে করতে পারিস। তারপরে সিলেক্ট পোর্শন সিলেক্ট করে you are trying to use this shear. Can you see it? আমি 30 ডিগ্রি অ্যাঙ্গেলে পুরোটা শেয়ার করে দিলাম জাস্ট বাই ইউজিং দ্য শেয়ার টুল, ডোন্ট হ্যাভ টু ডু এনিথিং। মানে তোরা যখন যে কার্টুন টার্টুন ডিজাইন করিস, ওই যে কার্টুন গুলো ওই যে ডিফারেন্ট পজিশনে যায় না, হাঁটছে সে, মুভ করছে, দৌড়চ্ছে, সো একটা অরিজিনাল থেকেই তো ওটা করা হয়, তাই তো? ইউ ক্যান ইউজ ওয়ান অরিজিনাল, অর মানে এটা নর্মাল এই যে ইউ আর ইউজিং জাস্ট ওয়ান অরিজিনাল অ্যান্ড ইউ আর এডিটিং অন দ্যাট অরিজিনাল, সো তো ডিফারেন্ট পজিশনের জন্য ইউ ক্যান ইউজ দিস shearing tool according to your choice. Now reshape tool you can try and use. This is wrap tool, I have told you. This is twill tool. Twill tool, do you want to see it? Twill tool, এটা হচ্ছে কি অদ্ভুত, again I'm telling you that double click on any of the things, any of the tools, and you can get what kind of thing that there you can do basically. Okay, এই যে twill tool, double click on it. See, width, height, angle, intensity, everything is given. Twill rate, say I'm giving it, it is 102%. Say this is height, just change the height. I'm making it see this in the width. Okay, fine. Now, see, now the twill. Can you see the twill now? Okay, what I have to do, I have to decrease the stroke width. Then you can understand. Can you see it? Can you see it? So এটা আমি কি করলাম, প্রথমে কি এটা ছিল, ছিল না তো, আমি কি করলাম, I have just double click on it and I have changed the criteria. I have changed the criteria according to my the selected artwork contains text. Okay, this will only be applied on the line element. Can you see it? এটাই হচ্ছে প্রথমে যেটা হয়েছিল কন্ট্রোল পজিটিভ, দিস ওয়াজ লাইক দিস স্মল টুল, ওখানে প্যারামিটার তাই দেওয়া ছিল। say there is there are so many other tools, other wrap tools basically, you can try and use this. Okay, so this is according to your own requirement, whatever, just try and use it and check it, which one will be applicable for you, just use that, which one will be applicable for you, just use that. Okay, there are so many tools. Okay, there okay, this is the sprayer tool, symbol sprayer tool, symbol sprayer, symbol sizer, you can try and use. There are certain symbols are there which will be, please select the symbol from the symbol library. Okay, select the symbols, where is the symbols? Okay, see, control negative. So your first assignment would be this, doing this cartoon, and your next assignment over here will be designing logo. Okay, next day I'll be giving you to design logo. There will be hand drawn logo and there will be text manipulated logo. Okay, or calibrate, example of say calibration, sorry, not calibration, calligraphy. Okay, where is this symbol? Okay, the where the symbol I need to find. Okay, you have to go to the symbol, you have to found out the symbol, and the symbol will be sprayed basically by using the select symbol from the symbol panel first. কোথায় সিম্বল খুঁজি, অপশনটা ভুলে গেছি, চলো দেখিনি এটা কি, কালার গাইড। So there are several symbol and symbol libraries are there. This total library is for symbol. Okay, so I'm using say this symbol. By using symbol sprayer, you can you can add these symbols basically. So there are certain symbol is given over there. You can add the symbol directly. Okay, there is okay, there is a graphic, there is movie clip type of symbol. Okay, there is library of symbol basically. There are say 3D symbols. There are so many kind of symbols. You can try and use this. Okay, say these are the 3D symbols are there. Say so these are so this is symbol. So this is basically কি বলবো, this is like where this is necessary. You need to know the options. That's it, and nothing else basically. So there are so this is 3D symbols. The total library is given over there. You can try and use this. That's it. So these are the symbols of the mobiles. You can use this. So this is kind of symbol sprayer. Control Z Z Z Z. Okay, fine. You can try and use this. There is a symbol shifter. So all other parameters of symbols are given over there. Okay, here you can do your graphs, your column graph, your this will be backed by your uh, hmm, Excel sheet basically of information. Say this is column graph. You can do column graph over here. Okay, if you incorporate certain informations over here, if you incorporate certain say informations over here, then like it will give you column graph. The number of column, number of informations you will be incorporating. See, the accordingly the column graph will be created. Accordingly, the column save changes in the graph data. Yes, the column graph will be. See, I've incorporated few just fictitious data, and this has given the column graph three sets. Okay, in every mm, uh, options. So this is column graph, stack column graph, bar graph, then line graph, area graph, scatter graph. Okay, if you are doing it any science project, you can do it over here. You can do it in the Excel also, that you know, must be knowing. But here also you can do as you can edit few of the things. Okay, because this is vector platform. Then pie graph, then radar graphs, all the graphs you can do over here. Okay, then this is gradient option. I have told you, you may not always require to do like the solid colors basically. There are certain pre-defined gradients are there. So this is gradient tool. I do not need to explain that. Now eyedropper tool, you if you want to t- like pick certain colors, then eyedropper tool, you already know this. This is blend tool to blend different colors. This is live paint bucket tool I have used to fill colors. Then live paint selection tool for selections which will be going live. Then crop area, you can crop any area of any portions. This crop area, say crop, you have to do like a crop. This portion from the whole portion, this portion will be only cropped. Okay, but I do not need that. You have to right click on that. You have to undo it. Okay, so you can do crop, you can use scissor, eraser, knife tool for cutting. This is hand tool for moving. This is zoom tool for zooming. This is fill color. This is stroke color, and this is none. You can off the fill color. You have to select on this. You can off the fill color. You can off the stroke color. to off the stroke color, you can click that. To on it, double click on it, and the stroke color will come exactly same way the fill color will come. So this is all about the toolbox. This is it for today. You have to complete this cartoon by next week. Fill the color. If certain problem is there, next day I'll solve that. You have to come up with the cartoon assignment with the report. I have not seen the report of anyone. Definitely, if you have submitted, I'll check in a while, because this week also there is submission of your master's thesis, and two of my students will be submitting and also giving the viva. So I'm busy with that. So I haven't checked your reports. I'll check your report and assignment and give my feedbacks in due time. Just do complete your cartoon, and next day you will be doing the logo designing. There will be graphical logo and there will be calligraphic logo. There can be two kind of logo will be there. Both will design next day. How to do the calligraphic logo, that I'll be directly showing, but for hand drawn logo or graphic logo, you can design by your own. You can go and search in the internet what are the different graphic logos are there, what are the calligraphic logos are there. Calligraphic logos means when the text is being manipulated. So that assignment will be doing the next day. For today, you have to do the mm, uh, cartoon one. Each one of you have to do individual. Okay, individually. Okay, now tell me what are the questions are there. Though the question will come when you will start working, basically, because this is definitely a lab. um, but if you are having any questions now, you can tell me. Do you have any questions? Sorry. Do you have any questions? আছিস কেউ না সবাই চলে গেছিস? দেখতে পাচ্ছিস তো?
Yes, ma'am.
কোনো প্রশ্ন আছে?
No, ma'am.
আগে চেষ্টা করবি, তাই তো? চেষ্টা করবি তো? প্রত্যেকের কিন্তু আলাদা কার্টুন করে ওটা ফিল কমপ্লিট করতে হবে, ডিজিটাইজ করতে হবে। ইউ হ্যাভ টু trace that or make it to take it to the digital platform. You have to keep that original in original layer. You have to lock the layer. You have to create new layer. You have to recreate the whole thing. You have to select all the line elements after editing, and you have to make all that into group. After grouping it, select live paint bucket tool to fill different colors in different sections. And along with this, you have to try and use all the tools. This is the assignment for you for today. বোঝা গেল? I have already shown you some of the assignment output of previous year. Do you remember that? Or I need to show it again? Exactly. Omni type, it will be output. If you are having any problem, you can definitely ask me. Next day, পুরোটা করে coloring এ কোনো problem হলেও, ঠিক আছে? Coloring এও যদি কোনো problem হয়, তাহলেও পরের দিন আমি সেটা সলভ করে দেবো, ঠিক আছে? আর কোনো প্রশ্ন আছে? ওকে, ঠিক আছে, চলো টাটা। আর বাকিরা কোথায় একটুকুনি জেনে নিবি, বিকজ ওই যে ল্যাটারাল দুটো ওদের সব ক্লাস কিন্তু এই করে করানো হবে না। ওদের রেগুলার ক্লাসের সঙ্গেও তো ক্লাস করতে হবে। ওদের যে এক্সট্রা ক্লাসগুলো দেওয়া হচ্ছে, যেটা ওরা করেনি সেটার জন্য অনলি, মানে একটু মানে কভার আপ দোজ পোর্শনস। এটা একটুকুনি কেউ কনভে করে দিস, ঠিক আছে? আমার তো অমনি করে আলাদা করে তো এই নেই আমাদের, ওদের সঙ্গে কন্ট্যাক্ট নেই, ঠিক আছে? একটুকুনি করে দিস, ঠিক আছে? আর রিগার্ডিং your class test, I hope you have got previous days 1 minute 15-11 lecture 7 টা it was bit longer basically যদি চেক করিস ব্লিচিং তো so you have to cover that before giving the exam date. But আমি already বলে দিয়েছি you have to communicate the date by discussing between you among you whatever it is, just let me know the date. It would be a 30 marks class test and 1.5 hour, 1 hour for your exam, and after 1.5 hour I'll not be hearing any of the excuses because 30 minutes is for sending only. Okay, so for today this is it. Okay, tata. Do you have any question? If you have any question you can ask me, or otherwise